Okay, I won't touch it. He gets really cranky just about to touch that. Don't know why. Isn't it? Are you a happy chappy? Pedro's a happy chappy, isn't he? Okay. 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 There you go, play with it. You play with it then. Can I touch it? Can I? Can I touch it? No. It says no. No. Okay. No, okay. Okay, go on. Ding, 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 ding. Ouch, that hurts. Pedrite. Ay. Attack. Okay, Pedri. There you go. Now, don't attack my hand. Okay, I won't touch it anymore. Okay, what about that one? Can I touch that one too? Can I touch this one? No, I can't. Look at it. Can I touch that one? Look. Touch that one? No? Okay. Are you cranky, Pedro? Yes! Yes, cranky! Pedro, cranky! You're cranky! You cranky bird! Hey, come. Okay. You cranky with me?